Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Kay here. On the little mat in front of me are snippets left from week 4 of the 12 weeks of Christmas challenge or project makes from the group I belong to, which is Create with Scrimpingmommy. And every Monday for 12 weeks there will be freebies of a digital nature designed by Amanda, who is Scrimpingmommy, and the thing is to do something with the Christmas papers to add to your Christmas stash, or maybe you're making Christmas journals, or maybe you just want images, focal images like this to go on cards. You know, there is lots and lots of ways to use up the paper, but this is what I've got left of what I've done for the 4th week kit, and it really is so pretty. I've had a lovely time making up the project that I'm going to share with you, and here it comes. Now, isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I love it, love it, love it. It is a tag pocket. If I take these out to start off with, you'll get the base of the project, and all you do is download your digital kit or the papers. There are 3 sheets of paper, so I don't know what constitutes a kit, but there are 3 sheets, and on the sheets you then have the makings to make this lovely tag pocket with a little area here for the main pocket. This obviously would be the base of the pocket, which you could then pop into or stick to a page in your journal. I've chosen to keep it freestanding because that's what thought came to me, and I've actually lined the back and used an image from last week's the 12 weeks of Christmas projects to just put something on the back there. But if I wanted to glue it down onto a page, clearly I would lose very little except the nice plaid paper. So this is the front, this is the pocket. It's a lovely size. If I just measure it up for you, from the tip to the bottom is 6 3/4, and side to side is just over 4.5. The pocket depth is 2.5, yeah, roughly 2.5, yeah, almost 2.5 inches, so you can get some lovely little goodies in there. This would actually make a nice holder for a gift card or something like that if you so desired. All you'd need to do is just score down there and fold it over, and then you've got a little envelope container there that would do that very job. I've put on this is actually like floral tape, but it's glittery, and I did want to put that aspect on with a little bit of the stickles as always. You know, if you get tired of seeing the stickers, I can only apologise, but for me Christmas is all about shiny things and prettiness, so you know, that's what you'll find if you watch what I do with Amanda's digitals. This lovely bordered image here, which has featured before, but it's been prettied up with the lovely gorgeous paper background, just to give it an extra colour and marry everything up, because clearly there's a lot of muted colours in the border around the main part of this project. I then went on to make some tags, and I just made this paper bow out of my stash using the colours that I've incorporated. I have again used a little bit of the ribbon because it is a set and I wanted it running through. Another gorgeous image right there. It's a 3-layered tag because I do like things to be substantial. So I've got the plaid at the back, the green here, and then the main image which sits in here beautifully. It's the largest of the tags, but it, you know, there is a little bit of an overhang, but nothing too much. It just adds to layering. I then made another tag, but this one is smaller, and again utilised that lovely I got it from the works many years ago, and it was 3 reels, and I thought when I got home, what on earth have you done? Because I thought I was buying a ribbon, and in actuality it is really very much like florist ribbon, but it's glitzy and it's pretty, so, and it's in keeping with the plaid paper and with the lovely colours within the kit. You've got the little girl sat on the bench there with all the lily of the valley and the berries. Very festive, absolutely gorgeous. And then there's music in the background and some advertising. You know, it really, oh sorry, it really does. That's my dog again. He's a nightmare, this one. He's trailing around like a nomad. What was I saying? Yeah, it covers every aspect you might want to put into a project, with glorious colours as well. This one is green on the back. I've put some foam tape underneath this border this time, just to raise it up a little bit and make it a feature, and then it almost looks as if the little couple there are sitting below the plaque. So I rather like that idea, and that one fits in there. So those two are quite prominent, as you can see. And as I printed out 2 sheets of the base, I thought I would make a shorter squatter tag, and again just feature. This is a fussy cut in the kit, you get 2 of them. It's not too bad to cut out. You have to be prepared, you know, to have a little bit of the background paper showing through, but in the great scheme of things, because you've got this absolutely gorgeous border back here and then the plaid, it's barely noticeable. I have, as you can see already, utilised the stickles again, the ribbon again, because as I said at the outset, I did want it to appear like a set, and that would then, as I've already mentioned, sit very nicely in a journal. It would make a lovely little festive gift to send out to a like-minded crafty friend, you know. It's how all of these things come together. This one is only 2-layer, well, apart from the stickles on the back, which is mandatory if you're dealing with me. I can barely wait for the stuff to dry, even though I put it on very sparingly. But I hope you agree, it really is such a lush set of free, I can't emphasize that enough, digital papers for members of the Create with Scrimpingmommy group. So I hope again you feel inspired by what I've shared. If you have the kit and you're wondering what to do with it or what best ways to utilize it, then I hope I've given you some ideas for that. And if I have the opportunity, I will actually make some other little things, because currently I'm working on scraps from previous kits as well that I can film and put out there for you. So take care everyone, thanks again for joining me, stay well and happy crafting. I just put that where it needs to be so it looks its best. There we go. Bye bye for now.